The temperature varies from place to place mainly due to variation in latitude, altitude, and distance from the sea. What is latitude? Latitude is the distance from the equator. The climate of a place is affected by its distance from the equator. The place near the equator are more hotter because they receive more sunlight than the place situated at higher latitude. Now, what is altitude? The height of a place above the sea level. People often visit hill station in summers because hill stations have cooler climate. It is because temperature falls with the height gain. Mountains are at high altitude. For example, Ludhiana and Shimla are located at same distance from equator, but Shimla is located 2150 meters above the sea level, whereas Ludhiana is 250 meters above the sea level. So Shimla is much cooler than Ludhiana. Now, what is distance from the sea? How it is affected? How it affects the temperature of that particular region. Places near to sea are neither too hot nor too cold. It has a moderate climate. Places away from sea are hot in summer and cold in winter. Mumbai has moderate temperature, being closer to Arabian Sea, and Delhi has extreme type of climate, being away from the sea. Let us talk about atmospheric pressure or air pressure. We all are surrounded by air around us, and this is we call atmosphere. Air exerts pressure on the Earth's surface. The weight of the atmospheric pressure pushing down on a unit area on the Earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure. At sea level, atmospheric pressure is about 1 kg per square centimeter. Air being pushed down by gravitation force. The atmosphere is the densest near the Earth's surface. As one climbs higher, the air becomes less dense. Air becomes lighter and exerts less pressure when its temperature increases. Hot air rises or flows upwards. On the other hand, air becomes dense and heavy when its temperature decreases. Cold air exerts more pressure and it sinks or flows downwards. It happens exactly like the pressure we have in water. The atmospheric pressure is measured using a barometer. A simple barometer consists of a long mercury-filled glass tube inverted over a cup of mercury. The pressure of air on the mercury in the top pushes up the mercury in the tube. At sea level, atmospheric pressure supports a column of mercury 76 cm high. The atmospheric pressure is measured in terms of the height of the mercury column. Now let us talk about isotherms. An isotherm is a line drawn on a map of the Earth's surface to join places where the temperature at sea level is same at the given time. As you can see in the figure 3.7, the lines are depicting you, and this line is showing that the temperature is same or constant throughout these lines. These are the lines that connect places on a map that have the same temperature on a map. The lines are almost parallel to the latitude. Temperature along the latitude is almost the same. You can see the lines, right? And this line is depicting the temperature is same in the given area.